Hi, it's Mark from Hereford First Aid, and here in my hands is the latest in defib technology that we get asked quite a lot about. So as you can see, it's about the size of a pencil case, a fraction of the size of a full-size defib, and it's also a fraction of the cost of a full-size defib. Its main difference is that it's a single patient use defib. So it can shock multiple times for one casualty and then needs replacing. It's a snap block construction. So what I mean by that is that you snap it in half and then the two halves become your pads that you place on the casualty. And then once it's on, it is fully automated, so it'll start talking to you, talk you through the whole process of using it and delivering any shocks if they're required. For more information about these, please get in touch or visit our website.